All right, today I have a Whirlpool oven and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this Whirlpool oven, all right? But before we get started on turning on this Whirlpool oven, can you please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I have this Whirlpool oven. As you can see down there, it says Whirlpool oven. And we need to turn it on. There's a rack in there. There's also a broiler down there, which I'm going to show you how to turn that on as well. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure it's been installed professionally and correctly. All right, so once it's been installed professionally correctly, everything's turned off, you want to come up to it, and you see this right here. This is the control panel. All right, so this is the control panel. The first thing I'm going to show you is the oven light, okay? You press that, and the oven light turns on. You see that? Let it shine on me. Like right there, it turns on the light if I press the oven light. That's the first feature. Now we want to turn on the oven to get it baking. All right, so baking and the broiling. But the first thing I'm gonna show you is the broil. So you come over here and you look right here. There is a broil section right here. There's a broil, and that is for the broiler on this oven right here. This is a gas range oven right here. You see, this is the broiler down here. You put the plate right here, the broiler's at the top right there. So how do you turn it on? You simply come up here and you press broil, and you can set the temperature for the broil right here, just like that. Do you see that? And there it goes. You have to push start when it says push. So I push start, and now it is on right there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it off because we want to turn on the oven and get that started right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this, turn that off. Now we're gonna get to the main nitty gritty. We're gonna go to the oven. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up here and you're gonna press bake. All right, so it turns on bake and it goes automatically to this temperature, but we can adjust the temperature the same way we could adjust the temperature for the broil. So once we get to the temperature that we want, what temperature we want it, we want to take it to 400 degrees wheezy. All right, so we're going to take it to 400 degrees right there. All right, so after you get to that, it's going to go ahead, okay, push start. So I'm going to push start just like that, and now right now it is preheating. Currently it says like 100, it's less than 100 degrees in there, but it's preheating right there, and it's going to start heating up momentarily until it gets to 400 degrees wheezy up, baby. All right, so right there, this is how you turn on the oven. And there is also a timer setting right here. There's a timer right here. You can go ahead and set the timer, press timer, and then adjust the timer, how many minutes you want it on, and press start after you have the oven on. And it has a little timer right there. If you want to cancel this whole function, just go ahead and press cancel, just like that. And it turns off this gas oven. Cancel that. Turn off the timer. That is off. The oven is off. And that is how you turn on and off the oven. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.